Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Motivational Monday and I'm back with another cleaning video. I have just finished working out. It's about 6 a.m. and I needed to get this hallway cleaned up. It is a mess. My dryer broke down, so we had pulled it out, and my husband was fixing it in my bedroom. And then I was testing some mattresses for camping in our bedroom. So I had bins, I had lint everywhere. It was just disgusting. So it needed to get a good deep cleaning. So I started off in this corner and I just cleaned up my banister, and then I dusted my little Disney shelf, and I was working on this until about 6:45, and then I continued to work on it in the afternoon. So I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I post these type of videos, cleaning videos, every Monday, so I hope that you can join me. Press that subscribe button and stick around. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I also have a Facebook page, and they all go under Domestic Diva 76, and I will have the links to those down below. So I'm going to stop talking now and keep cleaning, and I hope you can join me cleaning your house. My kids were sleeping, so I wasn't going to vacuum while they were sleeping in the upstairs, and then in the afternoon they actually ended up vacuuming the hallway for me. I don't know about you guys, but I do laundry every single day. It's like a never ending. Let me know what your laundry routine is like.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken.
And as some of you may know, I run a home daycare, and this is one of the playpens that one of my infants sleeps in, and she was not coming today.
We can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it motivational. I'm finishing up, just vacuuming up, and then I'm going to wash my floor. I use Dyson stick vacuum and Sharka steamer. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night